oh, this is my like website thing. So as you can see, I'm already signed on. But let's see, should I show that? Oh yeah, well that was already given to us. So, yeah. All right, so I'm signed on, and so first, if we look at my models, so let's see where models, you can see that I have a user model, an option model, a watch list model, a bid model, comment model, and a category model. And then, so if we create a listing, so we can title it like tank. Its description could be like a toy tank, and then the category, oh, let's see, the starting bid, let's say, is $5.20. The image URL, toy tank, and just search for an image of a toy tank. Let's see. So if we click on this, and then we open image in a new tab, and we go like this. We can then add that image URL there, and then so the category will be toy. So it's going to create the option and see it tell the success. Of course, I could redirect it, so that works. And in the active listings, we see a new listing called tank. And then so let's see, they should be able to specify title, text-based description. You should also, yeah. And notice the title is optional. So if I do something like $4 category FSD, then it still works. It just won't show the image. And of course, we don't want this, so I'm just going to close it. So we have that, and then let's see, active listings page, the default we have for each one. So yeah, and then notice how for each of these it says the current price. Now if I say like make a bid of like $10, then if I go to active listings, it's going to say $10. So they update first as expected. So now I'm going to go to a listing page and show the functionality of that. So if the user is signed in, they should be able to add items to a watch list. So if I add this to my watch list, they say add to watch list, and then notice that now it says remove from watch list. So if I go to my watch list, it's there. But if I now remove it from my watch list, now notice how it says add, then it's not going to be there anymore. In my watch list, you can see a bunch of other things, which these are closed listings, and listings that are closed, they won't ever appear on the active listings page, but they'll appear on your watch list if you're still watching them. And then you could add comments. So like this is cool, and it'll show all the names of everyone that have commented along with their message. So if I add like another one like that, then and reload the page, then it's gonna be like that. So that's how comments work, and then so that's how add bid works. And then so suppose I close this auction, so it's gonna say auction closed, and then I can reload this page, and it's gonna be like you won this auction because I posted that bid for $10. And then but if I log out and go to that, let's see, well, it's not gonna appear there anymore. But if I log into my super user account, and then oh wait, let's see, what was the right there? I found it. All right. So now I'm logged in as Jason, but not jcarlson212. And notice how it does not say you won. And then if I log out, log in, and then go to this account, then and go back, I think with this now. Yeah, and it says you won this auction. So that works. Let's see what else is there. The user sign in. So also let's go to the listing that hasn't been closed. So if I add a bid that like say I try to add like $190, which is less than the current bid amount, like bid is not larger than the current bid. So yeah, so that works. All right, so now I'm going to talk about the watch list. So I'm going to remove this from the watch list, and then so notice that DSA, I want to remove this too because it's kind of confusing. So if I go to this, it says add to watch list. I'm going to add it to the watch list. When I go to the watch list, now it's there. So let's refresh. I remove it from the watch list, and then if I go to my watch list, it's not there. So that's the watch list. And notice how if I log out, the watch list disappears. Logging in adds those things to the navigation bar, like watch listing, trade listing. Categories, so I already have a few. So the toy one that we made. If you go to toy, it will show us the toy one. Block, it shows us the blocks, and then that shows us that. And then, so the last thing I have to show is the Django admin interface. So if we go to this /admin and then log in, so let's make let's add an auction. So we can title it admin auction, and it's going to just be like admin starting bid amount 400, user posted, we'll just do me, and then the image URL we could do that, the tank, and then the category is me admin. Is active will be true, so we're going to save, and then we're going to then go to the website, see if it works, and oh wait, not that. So yeah, see we have an admin auction now, and then we could edit it. So let's edit our admin auction. So let's make it that, and then so 400. But if we refresh 403, and then if we delete our admin auction, so let's see how we delete it. We just click that, it's deleted, and if we refresh, that disappeared. And we're now not. This is not bad. So that's my project. Hope you enjoyed.